Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NHPI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Been doing this analysis on a very routine basis. Did it on Tuesday. Remember, the markets were closed on Wednesday. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made as the bulls once again put in new highs, put in new highs and build a higher low. And that's the name of the game. That's what you want to see. Now, the one level that I'm going to throw in, and this would just be what I would call the ideal level of support. When you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up here above 0.018. Now, with that being said, if the price falls below 0.018, I am not saying that implies the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. I'm just saying if the price can continue to hold up above it, and I use the word continue deliberately, you can see on a couple different occasions today, including this afternoon, the bears did try to press down through there, but to give full credit where credit's due, the bulls have been doing a great job of holding up above it. So if that can continue, that would be a massive sign of power. Now, taking a step back and looking at things from the big picture point of view, which I know I've talked about in past videos, it really is all about that purple line there, the famous 50-period simple moving average. As the name implies, that line is going to move itself higher and higher as time goes on. So as far as measuring the health of the overall move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move, just watch the purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How are you going to best visualize, that is what's being represented? Again, yes, staying above 0.018, that would be awesome. But big picture, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about areas of resistance? As far as where the sellers are at, nothing complicated here. Just right up here at 0.0215, and that's coming from the fact that that's where the party stopped today. So that'll be public enemy number one going forward. But as I've been saying, resistance levels don't really matter on this one. What matters is what's already been occurring, building higher bases, because as long as higher bases continue to be built over time, everything else will continue to take care of itself, including breaking areas of resistance. So focus on the healthy consolidations, focus on the higher lows, then you can just sit back and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.